480-piece set of multi-purpose cable ties for tethering, tying, and securing items, 4-inch, 100 mm, multicolor assortment. Ideal for use in the home, office, garden, or workplace for securing wires, cables, plants, tarps, fencing, and much more. Self-locking fastener stays locked permanently in position, does not unlock, remove with scissors. Industrial strength 6/6 nylon construction. 18-pound max supporting weight, tensile strength. Temperature tolerance from -40 to 85 degrees Celsius or -40 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Amazon Basics multicolor cable zip ties 4-inch 100 mm, 480 piece. Top reviews from the United States. Great to pack. These we use to pack in safety bags on our ATV. Super small and easy to store. Worth the purchase.